Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this nail design using Cherael nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Cherael Nail Blake and Vivian Clear dip powders. I'll also be using some diamond dust glitter and some butterfly glitters as well. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of Cherael Nail Clear dip powder to my nails. I mixed the clear with some of the diamond dust glitter to get this shimmer look. So I do one layer of that. Then I apply some activator to the tips of the index and ring finger because those are going to be my clear nails. So I wanted to ensure that there was little to no bubbles in the nail. Now in a container, I applied some of the yellow dip powder and some of the diamond dust glitter as well and mixed them together. I wanted a pretty shimmer yellow dip powder, so that's what I did to achieve that. Now, I start on the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkle the yellow shimmer dip powder on my nails. I did 3 layers of that. Then on the pinky nail, I did the same. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the index finger, I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I sprinkled the yellow shimmer on my nails. I did 3 layers of that, and I did the same on my ring finger. Now I'm going to be using some of the glitter butterflies, so I apply base to the tip of the index finger and then I apply my butterflies to my nails. I also did the same for my ring finger. Initially, I wanted to hide the line of demarcation by placing some more butterflies, but it didn't look bad in my eyes after a while, so I left it like that. And it comes and goes because, you know, sometimes I like how it looks and then sometimes I don't. But in that moment, I liked how it looked, so I left it like that. Then I proceeded to encapsulate the nails with some of my Revel Vivian Clear Dip Powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. On the index and ring finger, I placed activator in between layers. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm just using my Model 1's gel top coat on my nails, and I cured for 30 seconds. I also top coated the underside of the index and ring finger. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!